Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube Creative Studio. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sonia Nebeska and I'm from Prague and I love crocheting. I love to create video tutorials and I love to prepare written patterns for you. And today this video is from Prague. We are in the historical center at Wenceslav Square, and there in the middle of this really long square there is my favorite local shop. So let's turn left and then through passage Rococo and passage Lucerna, and in a while, in a few meters, you will reach my favorite shop, which is absolutely full of great yarns. So please welcome, let's go, and if you have a few minutes, let's spend some time in my favorite shop. I would like to see and find what is new in the shop and which yarns could be used for winter crocheting. Wow, yeah, let's look at this corner. There are so many already crochet sweaters and cardigans. And yeah, I find something new. It's Papatia Donut Chunky. It's not a ball, it's really donut, so it's very traditional package. And well, it says that from this one donut you can create a hat. It's a 100% acrylic yarn. There are so many colors combination you can choose, and it's ideal, it's perfect for knitting or crocheting warmer models. So I'm happy I found something new already. So I will put it back and let's look on the top of this shell. You know me, I love these cakes. Look at them. This is also Papatia. It's Papatia cake silver yarn, and there are so many colors. And look at these grades in one ball or in one cake. There is 540 meters and it has 150 grams. So I think from one ball you could perfectly make a scarf or neck warmer or a shawl. And I really love this acrylic yarn with lurex fiber. It looks so luxury, my favorite one. So I think you will find this yarn in my next collection. And look at this, what is this lovely cake? It's a bit hidden in the shell. There is only one cake, and look at this. It's quite interesting. It's kartopu yarn, and let me look at these informations. It's a really tiny, very luxury yarn, and it's 100 or 200 grams in one ball, and it's really long. It has 820 meters, so I think it could be perfect to create light cardigans or light tunic or also shawl or scarf. So yeah, I think I would like to try this yarn as well. What do you think? And the colors are so beautiful. And what I found right below this kartopu yarn is panda yarn. I have to say it's my very favorite yarn. I use this yarn quite often. You can create very soft hats. It's perfect for winter. In one ball there is 100 grams and 60 meters, so I think 2 balls would be fine to create a head. And I love to use this yarn for borders, so you can make a border around your head, around your cardigans, around the sleeves, for vest or so. So there are so many nice colors which you can use. I think this white one or the pink one or orange one is so nice. And there is something new in the basket on my right side. I just found a papaya roving. It's a quite new yarn, I would say. In one ball there is 100 meters and 100 grams, so it would be perfect for warm sweaters or warm vest or overcoats, and you have to use quite big crochet hooks. So yeah, I think I will try this bulky yarn. And wow, look at this shelf. This is my favorite yarn. It's Alize Super Lana Maxi, and this yarn will be perfect for winter crocheting. It's really bulky yarn. The recommended hook is number 8. It's 75% acrylic and 25% wool, so I can imagine a really nice poncho or sweater from this Alize Super Lana Maxi. And yeah, let's go to this corner, and there is some really nice lady. She stopped me and she shown me these. You see on the top they are very big and soft balls. They are perfect for hand knitting, so I will choose one. The name is Beta, and let's look at it. It's very strong and very soft chenille yarn, which is designed for knitting on big needles number 20 to create really warm blankets, bedspreads, coats, or you can make really nice pillows. And there are so many colors which you can use to create the pillows or blankets. And there is a really nice lady, and she recommends this Beta yarn for babies' blankets. You will need about 2 balls to make the nice blanket for the baby. And there is another one. I never use it, to be honest. Look at it. It's also so strong and it's very soft, and it's quite XXL package yarn. Again, it would be suitable for hand knitting. You can make very soft blankets, and it says that in one package there is 1 kilo and 74 meters, and you will need 2 packages for one blanket, so it's quite fine. And you know, I was asked by my husband to choose some yarn to make socks for him, so I just found this yarn. What do you think about these colors? I think they could be perfect for socks, and it's olive color, acrylic, self striping yarn. The colors are quite dark, so yeah, I think they would be ideal for socks or boots. And this is olive color baby. You see, it's absolutely the same yarn, but with a very soft and pleasant colors, ideal for babies. And look at this yarn. It's Dante. It's also acrylic yarn, self-striping, and I know this yarn in one color skein. So yeah, I think I could use also this self-striping yarn as well. There are so many colors which you can combine with the one color Dante yarn. And I would like to also show you my very favorite yarn which I use for socks. It's Alize Superwashed Comfort Socks, and I already tried this yarn, and I would say that the one ball it's perfect for one pair of adult socks, or you can make two pairs of kids socks. And there is quite big portion of wool, 75%, so the socks are perfectly warm. Let's make a stop in this corner where I just see a new colors combination of my favorite yarn, Rusty. It's very luxurious yarn made of fine polyacrylic, so it's 100% polyacrylic, and in one ball 100 grams you will find 246 meters, so I think you will need about 2-3 balls to create a very nice sweater. And I also find this yarn, it's Zebra. Again, it's polyacrylic yarn. In one ball there is 155 meters, so it's a bit lighter than Rusty yarn. But look at these colors, they are always two colors together. Very interesting design, and I can imagine to create a really lovely hat and scarf from this yarn. Look at these colors with me. What do you think about them? They are so beautiful. So please tell me, my crochet friends, which yarn you like and which color, and what crochet models would you like me to prepare for you. And you know me, I love to prepare video tutorials for you. And this is the end of my video visit. I absolutely love to visit this local shop. They are so nice and kind people. You can talk with them and to share your experiences with them, which is very important for me. And this is the reason why I prefer to visit local shops and talk to the people than to buy online. Thank you very much for watching. It's time to say goodbye, and you know, once you are in Prague, please tell me in advance and we can have a cup of coffee or a glass of beer together. So wish you happy crocheting, take care, and bye for now. Bye bye.